Oh, there, any of those that are watching. I know I haven't really done this kind of content either before on this channel or whatever, but I thought to, make, I don't know if this is the first unboxing or not, but I'm going to be basically unboxing my first ever pair of Raycon earbuds. Okay, I had to pause the recording the video because basically I had to, get this all onto stand, and I have to use two hands when you know, I'm doing this, and I don't exactly have some kind of a professional way to film. Also, I purposely wanted to make sure that when filming, I don't show my address. And right here is a protective case that I was suggested to get. I was looking online for images of what they even looked like. So I got the 4 screen pair. So let's see here. This thing shows small build with also mighty sound. Petite. Okay, so that's a little bit in Spanish. So it's active noise cancellation. It has its water resistance, so it can basically withstand like if you were to take a jog and you pretty split, or you can even have these in a shower. And there's also like a reverse of the noise cancellation, which is in awareness mode. This is my first time ever having these earbuds, so obviously I would, with the money I paid for, have these last plenty of a time. And I don't exactly have anything but these scissors to open them up, so I'll be trying my best to. Oh dang! And this very package is the most kind of modern looking one that I've ever had for audio. I'm using my fingernail in part of the process. Also, another thing is that since there's no estimated time for me to get this video up, I could pop this video into flow frames just for some kind of PC to take the 60 FPS recording and pump up a smoother frame rate. Blast. Like I don't have it's like I'm sorry guys that I'm not being that professional with camera, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, so since we did that, I'm able to get the more peeling started. I'll do the protective case afterwards. Let's see. Is there any special looking stickers of any kind that would slow me? Nope. So, right here we go. Alright. So we have this power up little thing. Oh, Raycon Club. Let's see. Product protection. I'll check out the very. Let's see here. And I think this little part of the thing is the instruction booklet, the quick start guide. Hmm. Let's see. Best. So I think it may come with little extra tips too. Let's see functions. Okay, tapping the left earbud one time is lowering the volume. Tapping the right one on the right side goes up. But which one? Let's see. It has all these multimedia things. But which one? I'm looking here. Okay, so I guess when there's audio going on, I would have to. Let's see here. Okay, there's balanced sound, there's pure sound, there's bass sound. Obviously, when you're listening to rock, you definitely want to have the bass on. Oh, dang, so. Hmm. So, the earbuds. It would be astonishing if the earbuds only took 10 minutes to charge. Like, that's the fastest charge time I ever heard 10 minutes. Let's see. Act noise canceling on, so. Okay, so I guess I would have to hold on. I would have to like have my finger held up on R to activate the active noise canceling. I have my Heyday earbuds in and they're just connected to the very tablet I'm recording to. First little drop of them, but it's not that high of a drop. What am I trying to do? Copy Linus Tech Tips? Okay, so here's the very little case of my Raycons. But the very thing that I'm questioning is if the guide has any kind of reference to how long to keep an eye on them for charging. It lists pairing mode and all that. The full user manual is a QR code scan. I have to get my phone. Hold up, I gotta pause the recording then. Alright guys, so I slowly opened these up and I don't really have any kind of device that's searching for the earbuds right now, and I would like to make sure they're charged before their first use. So I'm gonna move on to the protective case. Like for me, I'm trying to look at the very. Uh, I may have to see it in my own laptop browser because it gives a QR code for these everyday earbuds, like the manual. And wow, how modern this thing looks. So we got a little thing of like matching earbud tips, and we got a little like hold on, we got a little Raycon thing right here. So right here is a very charging cable. I wasn't thinking of how to cleanly open it. Wow, I already have something on my setup to like charge anything that's USB-C. So this is just like a bonus USB-C cable. The last thing is protective case, and I'll end off this video because I'd rather make sure that earbuds are properly charged before their first ever audio use. I'm having trouble opening up the very protective thing for the earbuds here. Sorry guys, I'm having to use two. I'm trying to use two hands when opening this. Finally, got a hold of it. Alright, so this charging case comes with its own little, I guess, um, with its own kind of little easy thing. Oh wow, so hmm. As you can see there, guys, this is a protective casing on there, so hmm. I don't want to break any of it, but I'm trying to get the protective casing off, so that way I can see if I did put that right. Oh, so okay. So here's the protective casing like before putting it on. Oh, sorry. So yes, like this. I'm gonna put on a little thing, and then I'm just gonna forevermore just have it on there. Quite a little. Whenever doing these unboxings, is always a little mess. Like the trick, I'm gonna pause the recording. So guys, it took me a bit, but I got the little thing attached, and the protective case is just gonna be staying like that until whenever. So anyways, guys, yeah, that's these earbuds again, and thanks for watching.